In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Slack to n8n in 5 minutes. Connecting Slack to n8n is a great way to turn simple chat activity into useful automation. Once this connection is set up, you can send messages automatically, trigger actions from workflow logic, and make Slack part of your wider operations process. The good news is that the setup is straightforward and does not require any coding. To begin, open n8n in your browser and sign in to your cloud or self-hosted dashboard. From there, create a new workflow so you can open the visual canvas. In the middle of the canvas, click the plus icon to add a node, search for Slack, and select the official Slack node. When the configuration panel opens, find the credential section, open the dropdown, and choose to create a new credential. For the authentication method, select Bot Token. Leave this page open because you'll need to bring a token into n8n in just a moment. Next, open a new browser tab and go to the Slack API Apps page. Click Create New App, then choose the option to create it from scratch. Give the app a clear name that helps you recognize its purpose, then select the workspace where you want to use it. After that, create the app to move into its settings. Now you need to configure permissions so Slack knows what n8n is allowed to do. In the left sidebar, open OAuth and permissions. Scroll down until you reach scopes, then look for the bot token scopes section. Add the required scopes one at a time. Chat write, channels will read, and groups read. These permissions allow n8n to post messages and load channel options properly, including private channels when permitted. Once those are added, scroll back to the top and click Install to Workspace, then approve the request by selecting Allow. After installation, Slack will display the bot user OAuth token. Copy that token, then return to your n8n tab. Paste it into the access token field in the credential window and save it. n8n will verify the connection automatically, and once it succeeds, the rest of the Slack options should become available. With the credential connected, finish the test setup inside the Slack node. Set the resource to message and the operation to post. Then choose the channel where you want the message to appear and enter a short test message in the text field. When everything looks right, click Execute Node in the top right area of the panel. Finally, switch over to Slack and check the selected channel. You should see your test message appear there, confirming that the connection is working correctly. That is all. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next one.